This video is about understanding all the skills you've developed and how they might apply to a job you're interested in. This is called a transferable skills exercise. We're all constantly developing new skills, whether we're going to school, working at a job, participating in a sport, working on a hobby, or even volunteering. Skills developed in many of these settings can be identified and transferred to your list of knowledge, skills, and abilities that you learned about in the videos on www.onetonline.org. The purpose of this video is to help you identify the skills you've already developed so you can compare your list of skills to those you've researched in the different jobs you're investigating. As you review the materials, ask yourself, what skills do I have? And what skills does this job require? Take notes on these points. Recognizing your own transferable skills and how these skills relate to occupations you're interested in is important when searching for your next job. This can help you make career choices that build on and take advantage of the skills you currently have and want to use. This video will help you understand why do the transferable skills exercise, how to do the transferable skills exercise, and what can you do with the results of the transferable skills exercise. So why do this exercise? The purpose of the transferable skills exercise is to help you identify and rate skills you've developed in past work and activities. Relate how your transferable skills apply to occupations you're interested in, and determine which transferable skills you want to use in your next occupation. The transferable skills exercise is found in this session of the career coaching training. This exercise takes about 1 hour. To complete this exercise, you'll need to be prepared with the following materials. Finish the transferable skills survey found at the website in the instructions. Print out your results from the survey and look at the results from your My Occupational Options exercise or the responses from your WorkKeys Fit exercise guide. The transferable skills exercise is a 10-step program that you complete. The first step is to rate your transferable skills using the website exercise. Complete the transferable skills survey and print your results. Review the list of ratings on your response sheet. If you're not satisfied, you can go back and rate your skills again. Circle your highest rated skills on your response sheet. Enter the names of up to 10 skills from your worksheet in the boxes provided. Decide if you want to use the skill at work by stating yes, no, or maybe, and enter that as well. Review your skills again to decide if you want to go back and consider any additional skills you didn't pick the first time. These can replace any skills you don't want to use at work. Using your My Occupational Options worksheet or your responses from your WorkKeys Fit exercise guide, enter the titles of the occupations you selected as most interesting to you in the fields on the exercise form. For each occupation you listed in Step 6, go to www.onetonline.org and find the occupation. Locate the skills in that section for the occupation. These are the skills that are most relevant to that job. Type all the skills listed in the ONET in the fields for each of the occupations you've listed in the exercise. Just write the names of the skills, not the descriptions. Look back at the transferable skills chart you marked yes, no, or maybe. Refer to the occupational table from Step 6 for those skills listed for your first occupation. Check the skills in the box for that occupation that were your highest rated skills. Repeat Steps 7 and 8 for the remaining occupations in your table and compare your transferable skills to any other occupations in the ONET you might be considering. Check the appropriate boxes on all your occupations. Count the number of skills you entered for each occupation and enter that in the table. Now look at the type and number of skills you have and may like to use across the occupations you've chosen. This can help you further narrow your career choice options. Now, how do you use all this information? Print your results page as instructed in the exercise. Look at the type and number of skills you have and may like to use across the occupations. Narrow your list down by picking the jobs with the highest use of your strong transferable skills. The information you've collected will allow you to have a better idea of your transferable skills. It'll also help you focus on your career options. You now have learned one of the ways to further narrow your list of jobs by matching your strongest skills with occupations requiring those skills. This can assist you as you move forward to narrow your job selection choices for your information interviews and job shadowing exercises.